Because we go to the waterfalls and when you feel the power or the spirit of the place, you know what I mean? You can move you to things, you know. So this one come from there. Musutunya.
You know, I can follow your advice, my brethren, because a couple of years ago I went to Ethiopia, and just for the first time being in Ethiopia, it was a wonderful vibes, you know. And if it wasn't for the idea, the original movement from way back when, and the elders like yourself, you know, and going to Zimbabwe and holding that flag for I and I, you know, we really give thanks for you and other cultural musicians, you know.
Yes, beloved, the people of Africa really welcome us, you know, and made us something. You know what I mean? It gave us a awareness of the greatness of the black man. And when you go there and you feel the powers that was in Zimbabwe at that time, you know there's something there, spiritually.
Yeah, you know,